Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Nanoleaf model, controller, and that the official app is installed and updated. Once done, position your sketch over the wall and mark a reference line. This keeps panels straight and aligned. Make sure to identify the nearest outlet and test Wi-Fi strength where panels mount, because stable connectivity matters for scenes and cadence. Remove power until physical placement is set. Then clean the wall with an alcohol wipe and let it dry before you attach the mounts. You will now attach the adhesive mounts using the marks you made. Press each mount firmly for about 30 seconds to secure them. Once mounts are set, start placing panels one at a time, aligning edges and snapping linkers into the designated ports. This ensures electrical continuity and a clean look. Make sure the controller stays near an accessible panel and run the power cable along the route you planned, tucking it under furniture or using cable clips for a tidy finish before powering on. Now plug the power supply into the controller and then the outlet. Observe the LED sequence, which indicates a successful boot. Next, open the Nanoleaf app, choose Add Device and scan the pairing code or enter it manually. Follow prompts to name and place the panel group. Once paired, update firmware if prompted and test a few lighting scenes. If something goes wrong, restart your router and the controller, move your phone closer to the panels, and reseat linkers. This resolves most connectivity and hardware contact issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.